Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare methi na pura. Methi na pura is basically made with fenugreek leaves and chickpea flour. So let's go check out the ingredients what I will need to prepare the methi na pura. Here I have 1 cup of chickpea flour, chana besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, around 1¼ teaspoon of salt. I'm using 1 cup of water in the beginning and I'll let you know how much I'll need when I'll prepare the batter. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of oil into this, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, I've chopped them finely, around 2 tablespoons of cilantro, coriander leaves. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, that is called carom seed, and half a cup of methi, which is called fenugreek leaves. If you don't have fenugreek leaves, you can always use chopped spinach. From my masala box, I'm going to use around ½ teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of chili powder, pinch of haldi powder, turmeric, and ¼ teaspoon of asafoetida. So now let's go prepare the batter. To the chickpea flour, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients: the rice flour, salt, chilies, cilantro, the carom seed, the ajwain goes in. Now the fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm going to mix all this together now. Also, I'm going to add pinch of turmeric powder, around ½ teaspoon of chili powder, and ¼ teaspoon of hing, asafoetida. I'm going to add the water slowly so that I can make a lump-free batter. I have used methi leaves, and if you don't like methi leaves or if you don't get methi leaves in your area, you can always substitute this with any other vegetables of your choice. Also, you can adjust the spiciness too. I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of oil to this. So in total, I have used 2 teaspoons of oil. You can always use ghee too. It will taste great. So now the batter is ready. You can see the consistency. I have used only 1 cup of water, whichever I got here, and I did not add any extra water. So now let's go prepare the pura. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil first, and then I'm going to pour the batter slowly and spread it around. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on top and on the sides. And I'm going to cook this on medium to high heat. So I'm going to now flip this over and pour a little bit more oil on top of this. So now I can see this side is done too, so I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to make it a little crispy. The reason I used the rice flour is to make it a little crispy. The pura looks ready now, so I'm going to take it out on my plate and it's ready to serve. The pura is ready to serve now. So now let me go give it a taste. You can eat this with pickles, or you can just eat it with like that too. The pura came out so perfect. Please give it a try. It is a very good source of protein. It can be eaten for breakfast, lunch or dinner, and also it helps in weight loss too. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another great recipe.